Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Toyota Camry key fob battery. This is a straightforward process that you can easily do yourself in just about 5 minutes. Before we begin, gather your materials. You will need one new CR 2032 3-volt coin battery, which is widely available. Additionally, have a small flathead screwdriver or a coin handy to help open the key fob casing. Let's get started and give your key fob new life. Now, let's open up your key fob. Begin by locating the small release button on the side of your fob and press it to slide out the hidden emergency key. Next, look for a small slot or notch where the emergency key was housed. Insert your small flathead screwdriver or a coin into this slot. With a gentle twisting motion, carefully pry apart the two halves of the key fob casing. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic. With the key fob open, you will see the internal components. Carefully lift out the circuit board to reveal the old battery. Before removing it, take a moment to observe its orientation. Typically, the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Use your small flathead screwdriver to gently pry the old CR 2032 battery out of its holder. Now, insert your new CR 2032 battery, ensuring the positive side is facing up, just like the old one. You're almost done. Carefully align the two halves of your key fob casing. Press them firmly together until you hear them snap securely into place, ensuring there are no gaps. Next, slide the emergency key back into its slot until it clicks, indicating it's fully seated. Finally, test your key fob by trying to lock and unlock your vehicle. If everything works, you have successfully replaced your key fob battery.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.